I found out that having free sound alerts while playing a horror game was a terrible idea.
Am I missing something? Fuck, what was that? Completely missing and I'm just blind. What? No, I don't want any. I'm done. I'm done. Okay, I'm done. Alright. Bye. I'm finished. Hard attack. Got into drawing. Go away. Get away from my being. Oh no. I don't want any part. No, I don't want any part. Did the P... I can't really tell you exactly what happened there.